it unique is this this sheet of glass. The beauty of this is it's opaque now, obviously, and then it's clear. And so once we have everything lit and you can see how everything's gonna fall into place, you'll see how this is also gonna turn into a 6-foot television.
It was a real good twist. You bring the players in, you do the sit-down interview, and all of a sudden, boom, you pop on the footage. That's a
Jalen and I appreciate the word state of the art.
Yes, indeed. Thanks for everybody to help us put this thing right here in our interview.